Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've got your footage in Premiere Pro 2025, so start by selecting the sequence you'll subtitle. Open the text panel and choose Transcribe Sequence. Pick the correct language and speaker settings so the engine knows what to expect. Once you press Transcribe, Premiere processes the audio. This makes generating accurate captions much faster than typing everything. While it runs, check your sequence settings and waveform for noisy sections so you can note spots that may need correction after transcription finishes. Once the transcript is ready, click Create Captions from Transcript and select the caption format you need. Open Captions for burn-in or SRT for sidecar files. You'll want to review each text block. Trim timing to match lip sync, split long lines for readability, and merge repeats. Make styling decisions in Essential Graphics. Adjust font, size, color, and background to ensure contrast and legibility. Also make sure captions sit inside safe margins so text isn't cut off on different screens. To finish, open Export Media and go to the Captions tab. Choose Burn Captions if you need permanent subtitles or create sidecar file to export an SRT/VTT. Make sure the sequence frame rate and timeline match your export settings so timing stays accurate, and use clear file names so deliverables aren't mixed up. If captions don't appear after export, check Caption Track Visibility, ensure you exported the correct caption stream, and verify that the player supports the caption format. Re-export with burn-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.